Apple cider vinegar has been shown to have a lot of health benefits. But what exactly are the benefits of apple cider vinegar? And does it really help lower your blood sugar levels? On today's episode, I am going to answer all of your questions and exactly how apple cider vinegar should be taken and what it does for you and your overall health. Before we get started, this is your host, Bytyqi. I'm a board certified APRN here in the United States, and it is my passion to treat and manage diabetes. I want to teach all of you so we can beat diabetes together. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel, share this video, and of course, feel free to comment and let me know your thoughts on apple cider vinegar. So let's get started. The number one health benefit of apple cider vinegar is it can help you lose weight. That's right. I mean, who doesn't want to lose a few pounds here and there? We know that some studies indicate that apple cider may contribute to weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. So obviously, if we're feeling more full, we tend to eat less. As a result, when we eat and when we watch our portion sizes, we tend to lose some weight. So that's always a plus. Number two is digestive health. We know that apple cider vinegar has been traditionally used to aid in digestive issues. Now studies do show that apple cider vinegar can actually help with issues like indigestion, bloating, and gas. The acidic acid in vinegar is thought to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. If you are having any digestive issues, I guess you can give apple cider a try and see if it works for you. Number three is heart health. We know how important it is to keep our heart healthy, especially if we have diabetes, because we know that diabetes puts us at higher risk for developing heart disease. So we always want to make sure we're doing everything that we can to protect and keep our heart healthy. They did some studies in animals, and actually they were able to show that apple cider vinegar helped promote heart health because it helps lower cholesterol levels and helps lower blood pressure levels as well. Therefore, when we keep cholesterol and blood pressure under control, we are protecting our heart. Number four is antimicrobial properties. So apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties and may help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. Therefore, it actually helps protect your gut and it doesn't allow for bad bacteria to grow. So that is always good because we want to make sure that we are keeping healthy bacteria in our gut and eliminating the bad bacteria in the gut. Number five is very important. It actually has anti-cancer properties. So some studies suggest that the acidic acid, one of the main components in apple cider vinegar, may have anti-cancer properties. So we know that cancer unfortunately is growing and very rampant in the world. So anything that's going to help lower the possibility of cancer is always a great choice. Number six actually surprised me, but studies actually show that apple cider vinegar can help reduce the symptoms of acid reflux. That's right, you heard me right. While the acidic nature of apple cider vinegar might seem counterintuitive, some people actually report the relief from acid reflux for people who consumed apple cider vinegar that is diluted. So I guess if your acid reflux is bad, you can give this a try, of course, making sure that you dilute the apple cider vinegar appropriately and see if it's going to help with your symptoms of acid reflux. Number seven is skin health. So they have actually used apple cider vinegar on the skin for various skin conditions. They've used it for things like acne, dandruff, and minor skin irritation. You want to be mindful of how you use apple cider vinegar on the skin, and you want to be very cautious to make sure that it's diluted because overdoing it can actually irritate your skin, and that's what we're trying to avoid. Number eight is my personal favorite, and that is it helps lower blood sugar levels. There are many studies that have been done that show apple cider vinegar actually reduces blood sugar levels, especially postprandially, which is after a meal. So studies do suggest that people who consume apple cider vinegar before they eat, so let's just say you're having a salad with apple cider vinegar, and then you eat your meal, studies show that your blood sugar levels tend to be lower after eating when you do consume apple cider vinegar. The acidic acid in vinegar is thought to have an impact on insulin sensitivity, helping the body manage blood sugar levels. Insulin sensitivity is a positive effect with people with diabetes because whenever we are more insulin sensitive, that means we are able to utilize our insulin a little bit better throughout the body and therefore have better blood sugar control throughout the day. Although apple cider vinegar tends to have a lot of health benefits, you want to be very cautious. You don't want to overconsume apple cider vinegar, and you always want to make sure that it's diluted. A lot of people tend to dilute apple cider vinegar with water. So you want to make sure that you're diluting it with water, because over-consuming in large amounts, undiluted especially, can cause irritation to the throat or damage the teeth enamel. It can have some drug interactions, especially with people who are on insulin or other medications that can cause low blood sugar levels like sulfonylureas, such as glimepiride or glipizide, glyburide, any of those medications. So if you are over-consuming too much vinegar and you are taking those medications, be aware that you can have a low blood sugar reaction. So whenever you start to incorporate apple cider vinegar in your diet and you're on medication, I tell my patients to monitor their blood sugar levels closer than they usually do. So they will check their blood sugar levels more frequently, especially while they're consuming apple cider vinegar, to make sure that they're not going to have a significant low blood sugar levels. And they always want to learn how their bodies are behaving whenever they try something new. So as always, please comment below, let me know your thoughts, and thanks for tuning in. I'll see you all on the next video.